Hi, my name's Zach Rokas. I'm the host of Ferris and Focus's Ferris Trolls, and I'm about to sneeze on you. As you can see, we have hidden cameras. We have one right over here, and we have one right over here. The prank goes as such. I have my water bottle and my unsuspecting victim, and I sneeze on them. Your reaction is priceless. Oh, God, dude. What the are you wearing? Yeah, bro. Oh, sorry, man.
Scared me.
Did I get you, dude? I'm sorry. Sorry, did I get you, dude?
Yeah.
Oh,
This is just a joke, ain't it?
Yeah, I'm sorry. We're doing a little
Just sneeze on you.
I want give it this one. I will repeat this again.
Okay, thank you.
That's gross. Just sneeze.
Yes.
Did I get you, dude?
Yeah.
I'm sorry, man. It's just been going around. I think it mostly got my sleeve, though. So.
Okay.
Oh my God.
No, I've been like just playing with anthrax all day, and it's just in my nose. Thanks for tuning in this week to Ferris Trolls with me, your host, Zach Rokas. Tune in next week as we humiliate more people.